So the reason that I never lend anybody money is because it's a personal relationship. You know, the way you look after your finances, the way you handle your money, the choices you make, the decisions, it's all very personal. And I've just chosen not to want to get in the middle of anybody else's thinking, nor to have them get in the middle of mine. So what that does mean is that I'm happy to give it to you if I'm going to make a decision to part with it. So it's always going to be a gift, or it's going to be a decision to say no, but it won't be a loan. Because at least when you get that gift, you can use it for what you want, you can spend it how you want. If you're going to do with it what you said you would do, fine. If not, it's your choice. But I get to leave with an open heart and no bad feeling, no funny vibes. Whereas if I say no, it's done with respect. And it just means that not today. Today's not the day that I'm going to part with that cash, but I still like you, we're still cool, and we move on.